Cryptocurrency warning: do not buy. A lot of people are jumping into the cryptocurrency world without knowing anything about it. In this video, I'm going to show you some reasons why they should not buy any cryptocurrencies and give you some insight on how to make money with them. Hey guys, my name is Jane, and there's a ton of misinformation out there on what cryptos are all about. And because of that, a lot of people are getting scammed by these coins. So in this video, I'm just going to lay out the facts for you so that you can figure out if investing in crypto is right for you or not. Cryptocurrencies have been making headlines for the past year with their dramatic rise in value and popularity among investors. Bitcoin was worth $1,000 at the beginning of 2017, but now trades at over $17,000 per coin. The Cryptocell is an education organization that helps newcomers learn about cryptocurrency investing so they can invest and trade responsibly and safely with our expert advice on diversifying your portfolio, buying low, selling high, and avoiding scams. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that can be traded anonymously and securely. Cryptocurrency has become a popular form of digital currency that can be used to buy and sell goods without the need for identification. It's also designed in such a way where transactions are secure, private by default with low fees compared to other payment methods like credit cards or PayPal. CryptoWorld, Cryptolux Dictionary definition: a type of monetary system based on cryptography, using algorithms rather than fiat money. There are many different types of cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Cryptocurrency is a digital currency that uses encryption to regulate the creation and managing of money. There are many different types, such as Bitcoins or Ethereum, depending on your preference. Crypto exchange. Exchanges allow you to trade one cryptocurrency for another at market rate. Some exchanges lets users buy Bitcoins with credit card, while others require bank account deposits only, but both will deliver coins right away once payment clears. Some even offer tutorials how to do it successfully, so no need. It's important to do your research before investing in any type of cryptocurrency because there are risks involved. Investing in cryptocurrencies is a hot topic. You may have heard that it's risky, but what are the risks? These questions will help you prepare before putting money into something new. Risks include high volatility, price changes, security breaches, and the possibility of fraud or theft. A lot of people are not aware that there can be risks when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency. The most obvious one is high volatility, which means prices change every day or even hour to hour depending on how fast news spreads about what's happening with Bitcoin trading pairs, for example. Another risk we see and hear about quite often these days concerns security breaches like hacking attacks where hackers steal Bitcoins from users' wallets containing them securely offline. But if you've been keeping track, then surely this isn't anything new. Finally, fraudsters might try their luck at stealing your crypto away too, by pretending they want help strengthening login protocols, etc. Just so snatching some coins off the table sounds good enough until. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by any government or bank, so there's no way to get your money back if something goes wrong. Cryptocurrencies are a fascinating new form of currency that has the potential to change our world. Unlike any other currency, cryptocurrencies cannot be regulated and will always retain their value because they're backed by math instead of governments or banks like regular money does with interest rates attached. However, there's still some risk involved when investing in them, since hackers could steal your coins at any time, though if you follow cybersecurity practices, then this shouldn't happen. The biggest risk when it comes to investing in cryptocurrency is the possibility of fraud or theft. This happens when someone tricks you into giving them your cryptocurrency or when they steal it from you. It's important to do your research before investing in any type of cryptocurrency and to be aware of the risks involved. Another risk is high volatility, which means the price of cryptocurrencies can change a lot and often. So if you invest in them, make sure you're prepared to lose or gain a lot of money very quickly. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by any government or bank, so there's no way to get your money back if something goes wrong. This is why it's important to do your research before investing in them and to be aware of the risks involved. Despite the risks, there are many people who believe that cryptocurrencies are a good investment. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to change our world and could become more popular in the future. So, if you're interested in investing in them, make sure you do your research. If you're interested in learning more about how to invest in Bitcoin so it can be part of your diversified portfolio, then consider reading our free crypto investing ebook, which will teach you everything from A to Z. You may also want to look into other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, if you're looking for something else worth investing in outside of Bitcoin. With all this information, we hope that we have helped make your decision easier. I think you can learn a lot from our experts, and it would make me happy to have you as a part of our family. Follow our Cryptocell Facebook page for future updates. Feel free to share this with anyone you think might also enjoy it. Please leave a comment below about your thoughts, and our experts will respond shortly.